recording হচ্ছে তো?
Dear comrades, on behalf of JSTU and JIA, we greet you for joining this lunch hour protest demonstration against this management and also the government. You know, our wage revision is now due even after 50 months. Even after 50 months is over from the day of due wage revision for us from 1/8/2017. We are yet to be given. And this is the year, unfortunately, even after 50 years of our nationalization, now this government wants to privatize this industry. What for? Because we have truly served this nation. Our professional institutions have penetrated nook and corner of the country. We have reached out the common man. The purpose for which the nationalization has taken place, we have done it. Nearly about more than 7,500 officers of all the 4 companies throughout India, we have reached out the common man. That is the reason why the nationalization has taken place. That is the reason for which nationalization has taken place. Whether just public institutional employees have not worked well, no, it is not like that. We have earned nearly 71,000 crores of premium even during this COVID period. We have done it well, and nearly 55,000 crores of claims we have paid during last financial year. Whether it is loss making or some small profit we could able to make, we are doing the business. The government knows common man who is opening bank account in banking industry, especially with public banking industry, only they are opening the bank. Common man bank account, SBI account if they open, they are being given with 2 lakhs of personal accident coverage. That is being done only by public institution, these 4 companies. Totally it is a loss today. Totally it is a loss. Today the government, we understand from the officials of the company, and also when our representatives meet the ministry official, they are saying your financial position is not good. This company, 4 companies financial condition is not good is the reason. Who is the reason for that? We have done all the businesses, crop insurance we have done, 8,000 crore of premium, 12,000 crore claim we have settled. To whom we have settled? To the common man. If these public sector institutions have not settled these claims, the government should have settled. From your coffer you should have done it. Instead of you, we have taken the brunt of that, and today we are suffering losses. We have not taken money to our pocket. The employees have not taken the money to their pocket. Whatever the money we received from the public, we have given back to the public. Though it is a loss, yes, what for the public sector institution not to making loss, that we understand, we agree. But social schemes, who will do? If public sector is not doing, who else will do for the common man? In spite of all our efforts, all the improvements we have shown during this, even this 4 years period, 2017-18, our premium was only 67,794 crore. Today we have increased another 4,000 crore, 71,000 crore now we are doing it. In spite of the reasons, in 2017-18 it was 60,982 employees were there in all the 4 companies together. Today it is only 52,000 employees are available in all the 4 companies. In spite of nearly how much? 8,000, 9,000 employees gone on retirement, due to retirement, VRS, death. In spite of that, we have given our maximum output. Our output, each employee, per employee, it was only 1.11 crore in 2017-18. Today we are doing 1.43 crore each employee we are doing. What else you require? What you are expecting from us? Whatever the business comes to us, wherever we are going, we are penetrating to the rural masses and we are doing the business. Of course, the loss means the nature of business itself. Wherever you go, throughout the world, if you see, if it is a general insurance, it is nothing but loss-making business. It is the nature is like that. It's not like a life insurance, which always make profit out of the premium they received. In spite of that, these four companies put together invested in the infrastructure and everything. Nearly about 1,51,000 crore we have invested in the infrastructure. Whatever is the funds available with us. Yes, of course, there were last two financial years, 2019-20 and 2021, you have given money to three companies, public sector companies, National, Oriental and United India, round about 12,000 crore you have given. We admit, yes, because it requires for maintaining, as per the IRDA, your solvency margin has to be maintained at 1.5. Yes, you have given. It is your duty to give. Not only as a government you are giving, like private, those who have started the business, whenever they require the capital, they are increasing capital in the private companies also. They are doing it. Like that, when it is needed, when it has to be maintained 1.5%, this solvency margin, you have to give. To whom you have given? Nearly 52,000 employees. Employment is being generated by these four companies. Whereas the same government, even during 2019-20, they increased the corporate tax. By that, quoting the COVID, they have withdrawn it. By that, every year, this government is losing 1.65 lakh crore they are losing. You have given hardly 12,000 crore for 2 years to this public sector institution company, which is giving job for 52,000 employees, not only direct employment. There are indirect employments available. Agents we are giving employment. Surveys we are giving. Advocates. So really about another 1 lakh people we are giving, we are generating employment. What you require today, more employment generation is required, otherwise the economy will not grow. And the people should have in their mind purchasing power. If purchasing power is not there, economy will not grow. Even 7th Pay Commission has recommended to the central government employees the pay hike at that time. What they have done, you know, you have to give the hike in wages because that will enhance the purchasing power of the employees. That will stimulate the economy. Today the government requires stimulation of economy. For that, today, now everybody knows our Diwali is coming. Even within 10 days, if this government calls us and gives the arrears, definitely we know everybody will go for purchase. Bigger purchase we will do. But that purchase definitely is going to improve the economy, finally. Again, it is coming back to the government in the way of taxes or anything, or any generation of employment will be there. If you buy fridge, what will then that company, definitely they are producing one more fridge they will produce. So through that they are generating employment. So even the arrears of wages, anything, if you are going to give these public sector institution employees, definitely it will again regenerate the employment, it will stimulate the economy. So in that way, we once again appeal to this government, call us for immediate wage revision, discussion and settle the issue. Today, already in other two financial institutions, it is already settled long back. We are the one left over. Only for the reason they say it is financial problem. No, it is all temporary. It's all temporary. This company is having enough assets, enough investment, everything is there. More than that, human assets is there. 52,000 human assets is there. Definitely, we will rise to the occasion and we will see that this company prosper further because our future is with it. Even the retirees, their pension is with it. Updation of pension is with that. and even the new employees, those who have come to here, their future, nearly another 40 years they have to put in this industry. They have to grow with it. Nobody will see that this company perish. We will give our maximum contribution to see that this company again revamped, and definitely we will give our service, we assure you, definitely. In the interest of not only the employees, in the interest of the common man. So with this I come to my reference, comrade. Again, if this government is not calling us for further discussion, or this management is not calling, we'll be left with no other alternative. We have to intensify our action. Not only just dharna which has been planned for a week. Definitely everybody will be even given with a call, go for bigger action like strike action. That is the ultimate weapon in the hands of the employees. We have to show our bit of anger to this government. What you are doing is not correct. When you are able to give everything through the corporate, lot of concession you are giving. At throwaway price you are giving that Air India to somebody, Tata. You are taking pride of that. We have given, we have saved. What? You are buying 2 aircraft for nearly 8,000 crore each, but hardly for 20,000 or 12,000 you are giving to Tata. Whose money it is? It is a common man money. So we appeal to this government, we call upon this government, we want this government, you call us for discussion. Otherwise, definitely JFQ will again sit and finalize our course of action, including strike and strike comrade. Be prepared, definitely, unless otherwise we fight to the last, we cannot get. This is the situation now. Let you not bother. Organization is there, joint forum is there. Definitely, jointly, we all will unitedly fight, and we will see that at the earliest we are getting wages. Once again, we all greet you on behalf of JFP and also on behalf of GIIA. We greet you all, comrade. Only thing, it should have been little more crowd. People should have thronged this area. There should not be any space to stand. That should have been. Through that only we could able to make this government to come down, and I am sure in the days to come, everybody will come down here from all the area and show our bit of mind to this government and the management, and finally victory will be ours. Thank you, comrade.